Hello guys and welcome to WindowsReport.com. In this video we're going to talk about the Sticky Notes app from Windows 10. This app can come up with some issues that could be very annoying, and in this video we're going to talk about what you can do if your Sticky Notes app won't open in Windows 10. In this video I'm going to show you a very quick solution that you can try. So what we're going to do, we're going to re-register the Sticky Notes app. In Windows 10 you can do something like that called re-registering an app. Using the Windows PowerShell you can enter up a command that will re-register an app and will fix its issues. To do that we're going to have to click on the search box and then type in here PowerShell and right click on PowerShell and run as administrator. In the Windows PowerShell you're going to have to enter up this command. You're going to have this command in the description down below this video, so get it from there, paste it in your Windows PowerShell and then press enter. So like that your Sticky Notes app should work now. So guys, I'm hoping that this video helps you and now your Sticky Notes app is opening and you don't have any other issues with it. So this was the video guys. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell activated so you won't miss any future uploads. Also don't forget to leave a comment down below with problems that you have on your Windows operating system and we can try to solve your issue in the next video. Until next time, have a nice day.